સાહેબ આટલા કોન્ફિડન્સ થી તો એક્યુઝ કઈ જ કઈ રીતના શકે, બીકોઝ he knows કે he has not done anything.
એક્યુઝ નો કોન્ફિડન્સ લેવલ તો કે અલગ જ હોય
સાહેબ
એટલું યાદ હવે ધીરે ધીરે આવ્યું.
ના
ફોર્મેટિંગ થવા માંડ્યું
એમાં બસ સાહેબ પણ એડવોકેટ નો કોન્ફિડન્સ એટલો ના હોય.
ના
એક્યુઝ નો હોય.
પાછળ બેઠા કોઈને બી કહી દો તો આપણે સ્ટે કરી દેવું તમારો કોન્ફિડન્સ નથી હોતો. એક બી જણ જેવું કે મિસ શાહનો કોન્ફિડન્સ લેકિંગ ઓફ હોય છે તો સ્ટે.
First of all, me not to say that the entire FIR is vexatious. Secondly, even if taking the FIR as it is, two sections, section 324 and 5062 is not made out, only with a view to make the offense cognizable offense, my lord, these sections are applied. Lord, I'll give the facts, my lord. The present petitioner is a Up Sarpanch of village Buhari. On the date of the incident, there was a flood-like situation in the entire area. Because, in fact, it was not flood-like, it was a flood in the said village.
Recent FIR.
Recent FIR, my lord. There was a flood in the village. What this person is the complainant who claims himself to be the journalist of the entire area.
Yes.
There was a waterlogging in his house. He felt that because of the illegal and unauthorized construction put up by the persons of a particular community, that is Adivasi community, there was a waterlogging in his house. So he has taken the law in his hand. He has come with JCB machine in the said area for the demolition of the otas of all those houses. Persons, I being a Up Sarpanch, my lord, I was called at the place. We prevented him from doing any demolition work without there being any order of the competent authority. He files a complaint by saying that this Up Sarpanch comes at the place of the offense. I was beaten by a wooden log from the back side of head, and this is the incident, and I was given the threats. Not I would just make a request to the honorable court that in fact the persons residing over there who were having the houses of Adivasi community, in fact, Lord, he is a person who has, Lord, uttered several words affecting the caste of those persons. So he realized that he would be put into difficulty and the atrocity complaint would be filed against him. He tried to, because all these persons, Lord, being in the constituency of the present petitioner, he, my lord, gave a threat to the petitioner that you please kindly tell them not to file any complaint against me. My client, the present petitioner, says that you have uttered these words and you have to face the consequences, which is
any FIR lodged?
Yes, which is evident that even atrocity complaint has been lodged after 2 days against him, because the very same day the complaint was given. However, my lord, DYSP has to undertake so far as atrocity case is concerned. But I would go home even if there is a single statement, because so far the investigation has been carried out. Not a single statement of the vicinity has stated that any kind of incident of beating had taken place. In fact, he has come with JCB machine for demolition. He could not succeed. Even the Milord,
that FIR?
Yes, that is you? That my lords would find at page 20. He has not received any injury whatsoever, Milord, on the head. There is no injury. Even if there is any injury on the head, I would go. Lord, page 20 is the offense which is filed by another person of the same resident. Even, my lord, some government officers, executive engineers were also present. Their statements are also being recorded. They also say that no such incident had taken place. On the contrary, he has entered into this, my lord, verbal exchanges with these persons, and he has uttered these words. So far as beating part is concerned, my lord, none of the persons has supported. We have video, my lord, audio recording of 2 persons. He has, my lord, tried to create 2 witnesses also. They are talking with each other that Jigar Bhai has called us and say that you have to be remain as my witnesses. What would we do? Then they intersay, my lord, talk with each other by saying that see what has to be done. So prima facie, in my respectful submission, he also says, he also has a previous enmity with these persons. He says that I have made a number of applications against him, against his family members, everyone. I have also made several RTI applications against these persons. This is what is also stated in the FIR, in the last paragraph of the FIR. And these persons,
which is against you?
Yes, that he has an axe to grind. That is what I am saying, that he has an axe to grind. He had not succeeded at any point of time. He says that I have made, in the past also, I have made number of applications against all these persons. And these persons are very influential persons, and they have succeeded in not getting any FIR registered against them. Now, this is how the entire incident had taken place. So my first submission before the Honorable Court is that 324 and 5062, even if we take the FIR as it is, are not made out. If these two sections goes, my lord, then it would be a non-cognizable offense. There would not be a cognizable offense. So that makes a lot of difference. Yes. Lord, cognizable and non-cognizable, entire offense, nature of the offense gets changed. So at this stage, my lord, invoking of these sections, I am only saying that lordships may only call for the papers, that what is the investigation so far. Even if any statement is there.
According to you, some statements have been recorded.
Statements are recorded.
You, there is no
they
statement.
Are not supporting.
They will file report.
They will not file report. My lord. They would not have, my lord, in fact, I have stated that 3 kalak conciliation thayun. Before registration of FIR, 3 hours conciliation in the police station itself.
How would they file the charge sheet if single person is not naming against you?
They say that no such incident of beating had taken place. So
therefore, this 324 and 506, maybe 324 alone will go.
But then at present, the police has also, my lord, sent me summons. If the Honorable Court would see, page 39.
Send you summons?
No, that is a notice of arrest, page 39.
41?
39.
39. You have not obtained bail?
No, they say that you come in the police station and we would give you bail. My lord, why should I take bail? This would give a wrong signal to the society. The person who is doing the public work.
By giving bail, wrong signal.
I would, my lord, if my lords would say I would go and give bail, I don't mind it. But lordships may kindly consider, my lord, that a person holding the post of Up Sarpanch,
yes,
my lord, he goes for saving the demolition of those poor people.
Correct, but there is a...
Then, my lord, he goes and, my lord, files a complaint against me by saying that I was beaten, which is absolutely incorrect. લાકડાનો ધોકો મળ્યો હોય કે એના માથા પર કોઈ ઇન્જરી હોય તો હું જતી રહી સાહેબ ઘરે, હું નહીં આવું આપની પાસે.
ઇન્વેસ્ટિગેશન તો પતવા દો.
That is what, my lord, the medical paper is there.
Today we are on 22nd or what, 26th.
But then, my lord, સાહેબ પણ એટલા માટે મારે, but સાહેબ એટલા માટે I have to go and give bail and have to,
that procedure you will have to undertake.
But I ultimately leave it to the Honorable Court, but the court may also think it from this side, that this is an absolutely false and vexatious FIR.
Correct, but not in this set of circumstances.
What better circumstances would I get? That the person holding a post. Secondly, my lord,
that doesn't entitle him to...
No, I understand, but that...
blow of ધોકા.
સાહેબ એ માર્યું હોય તો હું જતી રહીશ, એ જ કહું છું.
એટલે જોઈ લેવાનું, શોધી લેવાનું.
સાહેબ એટલા માટે જ હું કહું છું.
Not bad, it is allegation, let it be investigated.
Allegation માં તો મારે સાહેબ આ ફેસ કરવાનું આવ્યું ને. And my lords are aware that reputation...
I am not aware.
ના સાહેબ, તમે, my lords have conducted many matters, I know that.
ભૂલી ગયા.
ના. Then lordships may recollect the same, my lord. I'll make a request to recollect. Reformat the same, sir. This reputation of a person matters a lot.
Correct, but
giving a bail and to be released on bail.
See, there are 2 FIRs. As such,
I am not the complainant of that FIR.
But it means that there is some scuffle must have taken place.
But sahib, એટલા માટે જ કહું છું કે lordships may examine what is my role, sahib, in that.
But that is to be investigated. That's what I'm saying.
That is what I am saying. At present, I am facing this notice.
Go and get the bail. Go and get the bail.
Well, why should I go for the bail?
Then don't go. I am not advising you.
That is why I am saying that lordships may not protect me or quash the entire FIR. Taking the case as of the prosecution as it is, my lord.
But then the version is against you. If I go,
then that is why I am saying that is only request.
Let's see the FIR.
That is the only request. Lordships may call for the papers.
Let's see the FIR first.
એટલે જ કહું છું સાહેબ કે let the papers of the investigation be called for.
Why
Even
this
if
is just a threshold, this 14, 7,
then,
22,
if-
you're rushing to this court.
પણ સાહેબ હું બીજા દિવસે બી સાવ ખોટી FIR હોય તો why should I not come even on the second day before the honorable court?
Immediately second minute આવી જજો.
Constitutional court, my lord.
Yes, yes. Second minute આવી જજો.
એટલે જ તો કહું છું
Not in
સાહેબ.
this case.
પણ સાહેબ હવે આમાં 324, that is what I am saying, that if any of the allegations of 324 and 5062 are found in the papers of investigation, but I would not argue a single word. Why I am saying that my statement may be recorded, that I would not argue a single word. સાહેબ આટલા કોન્ફિડન્સ થી તો એક્યુઝ કઈ જ કઈ રીતના શકે, because he knows કે he has not done anything.
અરે એક્યુઝ નો કોન્ફિડન્સ લેવલ તો કે અલગ જ હોય.
સાહેબ
એટલું યાદ હવે ધીરે ધીરે આવ્યું.
ના ના
ફોર્મેટિંગ થવા
ના,
માંડ્યું
ના,
એમાં.
એમાં બસ સાહેબ પણ એડવોકેટ નો કોન્ફિડન્સ એટલો ના હોય.
ના ના
એક્યુઝ નો હોય.
પાછળ બેઠા કોઈને બી કહી દો તો આપણે સ્ટે કરી દેવું. તમારો કોન્ફિડન્સ નથી હોતો. એક બી જણ જો એવું કે મિસ શાહનો કોન્ફિડન્સ લેકિંગ ઓફ હોય છે તો સ્ટે.
સાહેબ હું સ્ટે નથી માંગતી અત્યારે. I am not asking for stay. I am only saying that lordships may call for the
Not in this case.
papers
No.
and just examine.
Let it be investigated.
But then, my lord, I unnecessarily I have to, my lord, even this would be the victory of a person who has succeeded in lodging.
You're taking bail. Why is the question of victory?
But then I'll take bail. But then
Yes.
also, my lord,
Let the
but
investigation.
then
be over.
also, my lord, lordships may independently examine my quashing petition. Lordships may not protect me, lord, may not grant me any protection. But I am saying, I am making
he was
a
admitted. He has taken some treatment.
સાહેબ એટલે જ કહું છું કે એનું મેડિકલ સર્ટિફિકેટ મંગાવો ને.
Why should I right now?
But lordships may just have may just call for the medical certificate and examine what is the injury he has sustained, and whether any statement of any person, independent witness, supporting the case of the prosecution. Therefore, my lord, I have started from that point.
Not in this case.
But I'll be humbly making a request that lordships may not protect me. Lordships may keep it next week and just call for the
But
papers.
for what purpose? When the FIR, the version of the FIR says there is a disclosure of cognizable offense.
No, that is what I am
નો પટ્ટો તો માથા માર્યો છે,
But
એને
એ-
છાતીમાં દુખાવો છે, CHC માં
લાકડીનો પટ્ટો માથામાં માર્યો ને સાહેબ છાતીમાં દુખાવો થયો.
હોય નબળા વ્યક્તિ હોય તો
એવું થોડું હોય સાહેબ.
not in
એવું થોડું હોય સાહેબ.
not in
Then I'll be making a request, my lord, again, that lordships may not protect me, my lord. I'll not ask for anything.
not in this case, madam, not in this case. There's clear allegation against you.
And then I'll just take the instructions,
All
my
right.
lord, whether to take a order or to withdraw. Just 5-10 minutes.
Keep it.
ऐसे ही वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माय यूट्यूब चैनल।